In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in the VProp Trader. The very first thing you'll need to do is download the app from your respective store. If you're using an iPhone, head over to the App Store, and if you're on an Android device, simply go to the Google Play Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app, and on the home screen, you'll see the option to register. Tap on this button to begin the account creation process. At this stage, you'll be prompted to fill in some personal details such as your full name, a valid email address, and a strong password. Depending on your region, you may also be asked to provide additional information like your phone number or your country of residence. Make sure that everything you enter is correct and up to date to avoid any challenges later on, especially when it comes to verification. After entering your information, you'll need to review and accept the terms and conditions along with the privacy policy by checking the appropriate box and then tapping on Continue or Register. Once that's done, head over to your email inbox as VProp Trader will send you a verification link. This step is very important because your account won't be fully active until you confirm your email. If you don't see the verification email right away, remember to also check your spam or junk folders. Once you locate the email, click on the link provided, and your account will be successfully activated. Now you can return to the mobile app, log in using the email and password you just created, and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. From here, you can start exploring all the different features available, such as making deposits, browsing through the various trading instruments, and customizing your profile to suit your preferences. And that's all it takes. You've now successfully created your VProp Trader account and are one step closer to beginning your trading journey. Thank you for watching this video.